immediately establish a commission of inquiry into Robert Gabriel Mugabe, especially during the time he was in the leadership position of the party. Why he decided to join and work with anti-revolutionary elements of this country. Why he has chosen either to expel or to ignore those that defended him, fought and defended him during the war and even after the war. Why he decided with his wife to denigrate the Zimbabwe Defense Forces and the war veterans, war collaborators and detainees. Why he chose to have friends only associated with the Rhodesia regime. Why he chose to associate even with Jonathan Moyo. Knowing very well that Jonathan is a CIA agent. Why he chose to ignore Vice President Mnangagwa's report in response to what Jonathan had alleged to him.